Okay, got a Craftsman 1 horsepower. This is back from Sears days. Sears Craftsman. Factory refurbished. So it doesn't do its thing today. I think it just needs to be cleaned up. I don't know, one of the tools in Dad's shop that just don't work. So let's get to taking it apart and see what we're gonna do with it. Let's see here. Looks like we're gonna need some little screwdrivers. I gotta get a better set of screwdrivers. Boy, this little light bulb here. See if you can see it, but that little thing's in there good. It don't want to come out. That might be part of the problem. That the switch is so gummed up and rusted that it, because that's right in line with the switch. We shall see, because the switch comes apart now. The threads are just ever so slightly different on these, because 2 of them go into plastic and the other 2 go into these nuts. So that makes it easier to get them back in the right hole. Alright. Let's take the switch out. Can't believe you got to remove all of this to get to a light bulb. But what is it? They say Sears tough. May not be able to take it apart like I wanted to. Clean everything. We'll see if we can at least get the motor apart to clean it. And now we found the right tool. It's a little Allen wrench for this. There's got to be another little Allen wrench for the other one. But man, they put it in a very difficult place to get to. On the bottom side, and it's on the safety lock, so you can't disengage the safety lock to pull the motor cover off until you take this little sucker out. But it's getting there. Slow process. Don't know if it's worth it. I mean, Craftsman routers, 1 horsepower, probably ain't worth but about $50. I would say it's right there in the rating with the what do you call it? Can't even think of the name of the store now. Harbor Freight. You can get a Harbor Freight router for $50, $75. I would prefer something a little bigger, especially if I'm going to put it on a table. And I know we got bigger here. It's just right now, the key is to just make it work. There we go. That's out. Alright, I'm not going to bore you with firing up the compressor. I'll see you back in a few. Top's tightened down. Forgotten, turned it off, whatever. Got this light bulb back in here, and now I got to screw this back into the main block, or main body, whatever you want to call it. Okay, another project done off the bench. It works. We'll put it to the test and actually run some stuff with it in a little bit.